In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Canva design to PowerPoint. If you've created a presentation in Canva and now need to use it in Microsoft PowerPoint, maybe for a meeting, a class, or to share with someone who prefers PowerPoint, this process is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva and go to your home page. From here, find the design you want to export. This will usually be one of your presentation formats, but the export process is the same no matter what type of design you're using. Click on the design to open it in the Canva editor. Once your design is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. This is where all your download and export options are grouped. Click on Share and a panel will appear with several choices like sharing links, inviting people, or downloading your design. In that panel, look for the option labeled Download. Click on Download and you'll see a list of file types you can export to, such as PNG, JPG, and PDF. What we're interested in today is exporting to PowerPoint. So from the File Type drop-down, scroll until you find Microsoft PowerPoint or PPTX. Select that option. Canva may show you a few additional settings, like which pages to include. If your presentation has multiple slides and you only need a few of them, you can choose specific pages here. If you want the entire presentation, just leave it set to all pages. When everything looks good, click the Download button. Canva will now prepare your file. This may take a few moments depending on how many slides you have and how complex your design is. When it's done, a PowerPoint file, usually with the PPTX extension, will be downloaded to your computer. Next, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. Go to File, then Open, and navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Locate the PowerPoint file you just downloaded from Canva and open it. Your Canva design should now appear as a PowerPoint presentation. Take a moment to click through the slides and check that everything looks the way you expect. Some fonts or animations may appear slightly different, so this is a good time to make any final adjustments directly in PowerPoint. And that's all you need to do to export your Canva design to PowerPoint.